Good day everyone, good day sir. Welcome to Forensic Chemistry and Toxicology. Today we are going to talk about semen analysis, which is one of the activities for this prelim period. But before we start, let me introduce myself. I am Christine Joy Flora Malano from BS Criminology to Bravo. So bago tayo pumunta sa first topic natin, kailangan natin na malaman ang objectives ng topic natin na dapat ma-reach natin at the end of this video. So the objective is describe semen and sperm original composition and nature and define semen analysis. Describe the difference between presumptive test from semen and confirmatory test for semen, and enumerate and describe the steps in collecting DNA evidence for semen. Enumerate and describe the importance of semen analysis in criminal investigation, and lastly, presumptive test for semen. So, yung mga objective na yan is babalikan natin at the end of this video. Punta tayo sa first topic natin, which is sperm and semen analysis. Ano nga ba ang pinagkaiba ng semen sa sperm? Semen, ito yung body fluid na inire-release ni penis through orgasm. So, saan ba nanggaling si semen? Ito ay nabubuo sa tinatawag nating testicle ng mga lalaki. And nabubuo siya, binubuo si semen ng sperm. So, ano nga ba si sperm? Si sperm ay nakikita lang natin kapag gumagamit tayo ng microscope. Then, pag nakita natin si sperm, at itsura niya ay meron siyang head, mid, base, and tail. So, si sperm ay pumapasok sa ovary ng babae para makabuo ng isang embryo. And the help of the seminal fluid, nakakapag-travel si sperm dahil nagko-contain ito ng sugar, which is source of energy ng sperm para makapasok or makapag-travel sa ovary ng mga babae. Next is semen analysis. So, semen analysis, it is called semenogram or spermiogram. The semen analysis is mahalagang evidence na maaring makuha sa isang rape case or sexual assault. Dahil ang semen analysis is nag-examine siya ng semen na siyang nakakapagturo na kung sino ba yung suspect sa isang rape case na makukuha sa victim or sa crime scene. Next is describe the difference between presumptive test for semen and confirmatory test for semen. Ang unang test is presumptive test visual and alternative light source. Dito, ginagamitan ito ng ultraviolet light para makita at masuri, maniguro kung ang nakita bang fluid sa isang damit or sa surface ay semen. Next is acid phosphate test. Male phosphate na nagpro-produce siya ng high acid for phosphate or yung enzyme sa semen. So, using chemical reaction, yung semen is nagiging kulay dark purple if less than a minute, and mas nagiging makulay siya kapag mas marami yung present ng semen. Next is phosphate-specific antigen or PSA. Dito tinatawag din siyang PSA or P30, which is kapag naglagay tayo ng sample sa test device, lalabas dito yung result positive ba or negative kung meron bang present ng semen. So, let's proceed to the confirmatory test for semen. So, first is Christmas tree stain. So, dito malalaman yung positive identification ng sperm cell. So, another Christmas tree stain, meron tayong dalawang ginagamit ng reagent, which are the picronic digocarmine stain na kung saan yung neck and tail niya ay kulay green and blue, which is nakikita natin sa picture, and the next is the nuclear fast red na kung saan yung head is kulay red and pink, nakikita natin sa picture. So, last test, comparatory test is RSID semen strip test or tinatawag na rapid test. Identification similar to the pregnancy test, that is strip is significance for semen lang. And hindi siya ma-detect or hindi magre-react yung strip kung hindi semen yung nilagay or kung urine ba or saliva or another body fluid yung nailagay sa sample. So let's proceed to our topic, which is steps in collecting DNA evidence for semen. First is absorb semen on a clean cloth, swab, and after that, kailangan natin patuyuin yung swab sa air dry. Hindi natin kailangan patuyuin sa araw, kailangan air dry lang. Pagkatapos, pack in a clean envelope with sealed container. Next is document the scene. Sa pagdo-document ng scene, kailangan natin dito ang pagpo-photograph, pag-video, or pag-sketch ng crime scene. Dahil yung crime scene is nawawala din, hindi siya nagtatagal sa crime scene para magamit sa future purposes. Next is complete and record the scene investigation. Dahil nga kailangan natin naka-document lahat ng step or in order yung mga ginawa and dapat isubmit natin yung mga evidence na nakuha natin sa crime scene ng malinis at buo. Next topic, importance of semen analysis and criminal investigation. The importance of semen analysis and criminal investigation is yung rape case of sexual assault. Laging tatandaan, ang semen ay pinakamahalagang evidence para masolve ang isang crime. First, it will identify if there is sexual assault dito. Malalaman if may direct contact, merong presence ng semen sa loob ng ari ng babae. So, malalaman din natin kung gaano ba ito katagal yung semen sa loob ng ari ng babae. Then sa pamamagitan ng pag-examine ng DNA na makukuha sa semen sample. Next is malilink or makikilala na natin kung sino yung suspect. Dito after makilala yung suspect, kailangan din nating humingi ng sample mula sa suspect kung tutugma ba talaga yung sample na nakuha sa biktima at sa suspect. After that, malalaman din kung siya ba talaga yung gumawa or may sala sa isang krimen or sa rape cases. And for that, mapapadali natin masosolve yung kaso.
Take a sheet of paper and moist, then place over the suspected stain and mark the position and hold in place for about 1 minute. Remove the paper and take the acid phosphates reagent and spray on the filtered paper. A purple color change within 1 to 2 minutes indicates a positive reaction for semen. Acid phosphates is an enzyme secreted by the phosphate gland that is present in large amounts in seminal fluid. It is not unique to the phosphate and it can be found in other biological fluids, including vaginal secretion. It is therefore considered a presumptive chemical test for the presence of semen, and semen must be confirmed by another means.
So ngayon, babalikan natin yung objective kung natalakay yung objective sa topic na to, kung natalakay ba natin lahat ng nasa objective. The first is describe semen and sperm, the origin, the composition, and nature, and define semen analysis. Describe the difference between presumptive test for semen and confirmatory test for semen. The third is enumerate and describe the steps in collecting DNA evidence for semen. Enumerate and describe the importance of semen analysis in criminal investigation. And lastly, presumptive testing for semen. So, talakay naman natin lahat yung nasa objective. So, I hope, thank you for listening.